So after hitting a all-time high of 192 and giving a super fast rally of 180% in just 3 months, IRFC has dropped by 40% and it has been consolidating for the last 2 months. Now during this time, investors have lost their hope and they think IRFC is dead and it is not going to give them any returns, or in fact it is going to start a long-term downtrend. But is it true? Well, I will discuss all of these facts in this video. I will do the complete price action analysis and let you know why this thinking might be wrong and why IRFC could be preparing for another big rally. And if yes, when can you make an entry? And after you make an entry, what will be your profit taking targets? Everything I am going to discuss in this video. Make sure to watch this till the end. Let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So you can see, if I measure IRFC's rally from this point, okay, after it has found a base here, you can see it is 190%. In fact, it closed here at 183%. Okay, so this is 89 days, so less than almost 3 months we can say. Okay, so after giving that big rally, you can see IRFC has now giving a short-term downtrend here. Okay, and this is not unusual because you can see, if I go back to its history, you can see IRFC gave multiple times showed similar price action. You can see it was consolidating here for a long time. Okay, from this is May till August, and then give a quick rally, then little bit of consolidation again here, then another quick rally. Okay, and then a long consolidation here. Okay, from September to December, and then a big rally here. And now it is consolidating and it has been going in the downtrend in a short term. Okay, it's a short term downtrend. The short term trend is downtrend. Okay, although it is not a sideways consolidation, but it is kind of a short term downtrend. But does this mean that the multi-bagger stock has ended its journey? Well, no, it's not the case. Why is that? You see, in order to determine the strength of this big rally, okay, we have to measure where this consolidation is starting to show support. Okay, so we can clearly see that the first support it showed was here. Okay, when the price was around 150. Okay, you can see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Okay, then again it tried to break this level and go up, but it could not. Then small red candles. These small red candles are also important. We need to notice it. Why? Because it is clearly showing that the bears are active now, but they are not strong enough to pull the price downward in a strong manner. Okay, it is weak. Okay, and after doing this for a while, we can see another big bullish engulfing candle. Okay, you can see another bullish engulfing candle. Now the main part we have to focus is that this made another low here, short term low here, and we have to check where this short term low falls. Okay, and for that we are going to use the fib retracement level, and this will decide the strength of the big rally, this rally. Okay, it will decide the strength of this rally, right? So I am going to use the fib retracement tool in order to determine the strength. So I have selected and I have drawn the fib retracement, and let me just tell you why I have used the high and low that I have selected here. Okay, so you see the high is this one, this is an obvious thing, 192.90, and the low is this one. Okay, because here a strong base was formed and this is the lowest point, so we are going to use this as the low. Now you can see the price after hitting this level, it came down here. Okay, it tried to stay above 0.5 level, that is 129.30. okay, by giving a big bullish engulfing candle. Okay, and tried to continue from here. Okay, after making this 0.618 its support. Okay, 0.5 level it made it, tried to make its support here, and then it tried to go up, but it failed. Okay, it came down now, and you can see another bullish engulfing candle which I just showed, and it is also aligning with the 0.5 level. Okay, 129.30. so this is clearly indicating, these two bullish engulfing candles are clearly indicating the strength of the trend. Okay, the stock is not ready to start a long term downtrend, only a short term downtrend where the swing traders are selling and other people might be selling, but the long term investors who have invested in this stock at the price of 28, 30, including me, okay, they are still holding it. They have not yet sold, and they know the potential of this stock and it could rally a lot more from this point. Okay, so you can see we are getting to see the strength of this stock in this 0.5 level. So does this mean that it will break this level and go up? So we do not know that. The only thing we can do is to observe the price action and decode what it is doing and what it could be doing in future. Okay, so for now we are clearly seeing the initial strength in 0.5 level, that is 129.30. okay, now we have to wait for the price to break this 0.618 level, that is 144.30. so this is this level, this is the nearest resistance level, because we can see the wick of this candle. Okay, the price was pushed down from this level. Okay, this is the wick of the candle. So let me go to 1 hour time frame for a while and you can see a better picture. Okay, so you can see this blue line is the 0.5 level. Okay, and the 0.618 level is this one, the green line. Okay, and you can see one big candle and a big wick which pushed the price downward, and now it is consolidating, but you can see it is really strong. Okay, it is not going down sharply, it is strong, and today it has gapped up little bit, and let's see where the market closes and where the stock closes. Okay, but we have to wait for the stock to break this level. Okay, and that is 144 level almost. Okay, we have to wait for the stock to break this level, and that too with a good volume. Okay, let me go back again to the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame, and when I enable the volume, you can see this engulfing candle. Okay, this big engulfing candle had a very big volume bar. Okay, and same with this one. So the two engulfing candles that we saw have good volume, very good volume in fact. Okay, and I expect the stock to show another big green candle very soon. Very soon it could give, and definitely for that also the volume bar will be high. Okay, and if you have been following this channel, you know that I decoded this stock long back when it was around the price of 30-32. Okay, and after that I have made multiple videos. Wherever I saw entry points I have made, and today also I am making one more video, because I want the viewers, subscribers and people who are following me to stay alert, that if you have not made any entry or you do not have any stake in IRFC and you want to hold it, then definitely you should start preparing yourself, because very soon it could be giving a new rally. Okay, it could give a breakout and start a new rally, so just be ready for that. Observe the price action carefully from now. Okay, so for now you have to just keep this level in mind, 144. Okay, so let me just mark it with a red line. Okay, let me mark it and remove this line. Okay, because that is the nearest short term resistance that we are getting to see from the candle. Okay, and when you will see that when the stock actually breaks this level, okay, you will see the momentum indicators will also start to show some strength. Okay, and you can see the RSI level has also become kind of flat, and you can see the level will obviously break the moving average, this black line, very soon, and very soon it could give some pattern like this. And once it breaks the the 60 level, along with the stock breaking this level, you can get a confirmed entry at this level. Okay, and now we got the nearest resistance level which the price needs to break in order for us to make an entry. Now let us confirm this level using some other tools. So I will use the super trend indicator. So this is the super trend indicator, and it is showing that this is the resistance level, and let me mark that as well with another red line. Okay, and now I will use the pivot points. Let's see what pivot points has to say. And pivot points is exactly aligning. You can see the P level, this black line is exactly aligning, okay, with the red line that I have drawn. So we are kind of getting a zone from 0.618 level, okay, this level to this level. Okay, so we are kind of getting a zone which is the resistance zone, and we know that these resistance levels, support levels are not a single line, they are always a zone itself. That's why we are getting the same thing here. And the price band, we can say it is 144 to 153. So let me draw one zone itself so that it will be clear instead of drawing so many lines, okay, which will make things simple. So I'll draw one zone. Okay, this is 150, let's say 154. Okay, from here to this level 144. Okay, so this is the resistance zone for IRFC, okay, and we have to wait for the stock to break this level with a strong volume, and the momentum indicator should also start showing strength. Only then we can get a confirmation that yes, the stock is about to start a rally, okay, and then we can make our entry. So you can assume your entry price will be slightly above the 150 level, at 152, 154, anywhere that around that level, it will be a perfect entry point. For now you have to watch, do not make an early entry at all in this stock, okay. And along with this, I wanted to show you one more thing, that this level that it hit, we saw that this is the 0.5 level fib retracement. It is also aligning with one moving average, that is the 100 EMA. You can see it is nicely aligning with the 100 days moving average. So there is even a greater chance that the stock will start an uptrend very soon by breaking this resistance level, okay, 150 to 54 you can consider, okay. So keep this in your mind. Now we have to decide the profit taking target. So let's say you are making an entry at the price of around 150 rounded up, okay. So will you decide the profit taking targets using the fib retracement tool? I will draw it again, okay, and your first target will be the 1.414 level, that is 244. This will be your first target, 244. The second target will be 270, and the third target will be 318. Okay, so this is for positional traders. So let us measure how much percentage return you are going to get if you make an entry at this price of around 150. If you make an entry at 150 and exit at 244, you are getting 61% return. If you exit at 270, you are getting 77, and if you are exiting at 318, it is 111%. So it is going to double. Okay, so let me just write these numbers. 244 is the first target, second target 270. Okay, third target is 318, round it up to 320. Okay, these are the profit taking targets for positional traders. And let's say you are an investor, okay, and you do not want to exit unless the stock is actually showing downtrend. Then what you can do is you can exit some of the units within the price range of 270 to 320. So round it up to 300. Okay, so let me just write down here, round it up to 300. Okay, sell half of your quantities here, and the remaining shares you can track using the 200 days moving average. Okay, this is the 200 days moving average, and once you see the moving average is starting to turn downwards, okay, and the stock is not able to stay above it and is starting to use it as resistance at this level, sell the remaining 50%. So 50% at 300 and remaining 50% after the stock makes 200 days moving average its resistance. There you exit completely from the stock. Okay, this will be the perfect entry and exit strategy for IRFC. So that is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where I post more stock analysis. Also, I post for the members, the exclusive members, videos where they can learn how to do the proper fundamental analysis, which can help you to spot multi-baggers, not the traditional fundamental analysis, but the special ones which I use personally in order to track the multi-baggers at the early stage. Okay, and along with that, you will be able to chat with me directly on Discord one-to-one and ask your queries. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.